Good day to Dr. Norazura and my lecture mate. My name is Lam Hui Min with metric number 256832. My research topic are postal route optimization between Post Laju Alor to Mukims around Jitra in Kedah using travelling salesman problem. For the background of the study, an investigation was being done to find how postmen and postwomen from Post Laju Alor needs to deliver their postal item to different Mukims around Jitra, Kedah in Malaysia. So, Post Laju Alor needs to collect the data and choose the most optimized postal route to minimize the distance between Post Laju Alor and Mukims around Jitra in Kedah. Now let us go to the problem statement. The problem is raised where the postwoman and postwomen will maintain their own route rather than choosing the most easiest and the efficient way to handle the problem. So it will delay their delivery of the postal item to other Mukims in Jitra, which is far away from Alor. Thus, using TSP's solution will help the management team of Post Laju Alor to enhance their delivery system. Our objective for the research paper is first, we need to determine what is the suitable solution for the postal route between Post Laju Alor to Mukims around Jitra, Kedah. Second, we need to identify what is the constraint of the postal route between Post Laju Alor to Mukims around Jitra, Kedah using TSP. Third, and the last, we need to find which solution is the most optimal solution for minimizing the distance between postal route of Post Laju Alor to the Mukim around Jitra in Kedah. Next, we'll go to the methodology. For the data collections, in around Jitra, we have 35 Mukims, but we only choose 9 Mukims including Alor due to the time limitations. So, researcher can get the secondary data with the help of Google Maps. Below here is the equation and the note for each Mukims and Post Laju. And this is the distance between each Mukim of Jitra in Kedah with Post Laju Alor which is stated as AS. We use two methods to solve the problem in this study. First, we use math formulations. Math formulations have objective function and constraint. The objective function for these studies is to minimize the problems, and the constraint we need to let the I to 1 to 10 postal route for row where the 10 postal routes are Alor, Ansun, Air Hitam, Bandar Baru, Bukit Kayu Hitam, Bandar Darul Aman, Madu Jitra, Changlun, Felda Batu Lapan, Felda, Bukit Tanggas and Sintok UM. For the J's is for the column, where the 10 postal routes are the same with the I. For the CIJ, that is represent for the total distance between postal route to I and J, and let Uij be the dummy variable. The most importantly is we need to let I to visit node J exactly once. And the second method is the nearest greedy neighbor. So we can define that the nearest greedy method or the nearest greedy neighbor is an algorithm where the algorithm finds the next nearest city or Mukims around Jitra in Kedah. Now, let us go to result and sensitivity analysis. This is the original or exact distance of the postal route between Postal Laju Alor stars and Mukims around Jitra in Kedah without using solver parameter. From here, all the data will be analyzed using Microsoft Solver for both methods, that is TSP without nearest greedy method and TSP with nearest greedy method. So, as for the result analysis, the analysis shows that both methods have a minimum value compared to the original value, thus ensures that the minimization distance is achieved. For the sensitivity analysis, we can conclude that changing of the node can bring a huge change in the distance as distance between each node is different. So both methods have nearly decreased or minimized nearly 100 kilometers than the original value. For the comparison of result, we know that TSP without nearest greedy method gives a good or optimal solutions compared with the nearest greedy method. Even though nearest greedy method choose the next nearest Mukim, but it gives the worst analysis than the traveling salesman problem without the nearest greedy method. So from the data analysis, we'll see that traveling salesman without nearest greedy method is a suitable approach to determine the distance of the postal route between Postal Laju Alor stars and Mukims around Jitra. Thus, all the objectives in these studies have been achieved. As for the recommendations, it is hoped that there are more researchers doing the research about traveling salesman problem related to postal route problem. It is hoped that Postal Laju Alor stars can apply these methods to minimize the postal's route, distance, and the most importantly to enhance their delivery system. That's all from me. Thank you.